Water is flowing through a cylindrical canal with an internal diameter 8 meter at a speed of 20 km per hour. Find the volume of water flowing through the canal in 40 minutes. Condition 1. Diameter of cylinder. Radius is equal to d by 2. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 meter. Condition 2. Speed of water flow. 20 km per hour. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 20 into 1000 divided by 60 is equal to 2000 divided by 6 is equal to 333.33 meter per minutes. Distance traveled by water is equal to 333.33 meter per minutes into 40 minutes. Minutes get cancelled. So the answer is 13333.2 meter. Volume of cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. Pi is denoted as 22 divided by 7 is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 4 meter into 4 meter into 13333.2 meter is equal to 3.14 into 16 meter square into 13333.2 meter. So the answer is 6,69,809.728 meter cube. Volume of cylinder 6,69,809.728 meter cube.